Hi guys, Josh Denning here, the Tropical Entrepreneur. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales page or an opt-in page inside OptimizePress once you've got it installed on WordPress. So once you've installed the OptimizePress theme, you'll have this OptimizePress plugin right here, and these options down here. Your blog settings and your blog setup, that's how you actually set up the look and feel. I'll just quickly show you that. The look and feel of the home page and everything on your website. So you need to, choose an option and you go through and you get it set up. So as you can see right out of the box, really, they look pretty nice. As long as you've got a header, an image and stuff and add some content right away, OptimizePress is looking pretty good. However, again, I've customized mine, and I do recommend, look, if you're serious about creating a nice brand on the internet, be it information marketing or e-commerce or, what have you, coaching. OptimizePress is really only for coaches, mentors, authors. If you're marketing your book, but mainly it's best for information marketers that are selling either video series or reports or membership sites or things like that. It's also great for just for a blog or for podcasting. And that as well. But if you're doing e-commerce, in fact, I'll do another video just to go through some e-commerce options for you as well in this little series here that's talking about themes and setting up pages and stuff. So anyway, moving along, let's get into setting up a sales page or an opt-in page with OptimizePress. So you go down to the page builder and it will pop this open. So then you want to name your page. So I'm just going to call this Tropical Sales Page. Click check availability. So that's obviously just to check if you've got loads and loads of pages set up and you've forgotten, you just check it to make sure you don't overwrite something. You can choose a content template or a blank page. I'm going to go in this case with a blank page because we're going to do a sales page. And we want to use OptimizePress's preset settings. I'm going to look at a marketing page for this. So this is your sales pages and webinar pages and things like that. Your landing pages, these are your opt-in pages and your squeeze pages, but we're already similar to what I showed you with lead pages. So let's do a marketing site page. Go to the next step. And then you can see there's a couple of different options here. So you've got a flat border. Oh, actually, I've just realized these pages here are more around different site pages. So choose your template below. You got full width. This is borderless template. Is perfect for clean designs with a lot of white space. Rounded content. This template includes a content area with rounded corners to draw the eyes in. This is a flat bordered site. And this one here is a raised header. Let's have a look at the full width site. Let's go with the full width option. Go to the next step. Okay. I've actually realized what I'm actually building here. The marketing pages is actually to create things like product pages and services pages and things like that. That was actually not where I wanted to go. So let's just go back here and do this again. Sales page. So that also shows you with OptimizePress, you can actually build your whole website pretty quickly in a couple of days. You could build, if you've got doing a digital agency or something, a more traditional site. You can use it to create testimonials pages, portfolio pages, services pages, about us pages, and it's all in there ready to go and be customized, which is pretty good. I've actually never used it like that, but you can. So let's just go with blank page again. And let's go with a landing page. So here we are in the landing pages. Let's look at an I Am Classic page. So these are our different opt-in pages and different options. This is the more recent kind of look and feel. This is a more kind of classic internet marketing look and feel. The reason being actually that there's not more pages in here is in the optimizepress backend, because I've used a customization service to build the Tropical Entrepreneur site. I haven't actually loaded a lot of the other themes in. When you purchase and check out on optimizepress, you'll get a members area, and there are actually a whole heap of other different pages that you can load in here, like your sales pages, your sales funnels, your launch funnels, and everything like that. These are just the pages that come preloaded. There's literally probably about 100 other pages that you can load in here to use with a few clicks and some uploading and installation. So let's just have a look at one of these pages that comes with optimizepress. Let's have a look at this page. Let's go to the next step. Most of these settings just start fine as they are. So let's just save and go to the live editor. Okay, and here's our page, just ready to go. So again, very similar to lead pages. To edit different elements on the site, you just click that little pen thing on the element, and then you come down, and you can literally just edit the bullets. So you can just say something like includes 5 pre-done email marketing scripts and templates, plug and play, easy to use. Let's just say done for you video marketing and sales pages. Comes with 5 hours of consulting and coaching. So you can also add more bullets if you want to, or you can just go insert, and then you'll see that it actually updates those bullet points. Of course, when you're doing this, you'd want to think through your bullets. You want to think through, your hook. What's your headline going to be? You'll need a video to add in here. You need to plug in your email marketing, and I'll just show you as well. You can actually add additional elements. So let's say we wanted to add 2 columns of text. It's going to give us some options for our text. Let's just click that, and then bang, it's there ready to be added. And you just fill in column 1 and fill in column 2 and click insert. But I'm not going to do that now. I think that gives you a pretty good idea of optimizepress and what it can do. So this is an opt-in page, but just like this page, there's also sales pages, there's also video sales pages, there's membership site pages, and you can see here you can go into membership settings, membership page settings, and if I can go down here and choose what actual type of membership page it is. And you're good to go. But again, a lot of this stuff I actually get done for me. I focus on what I'm best at, which is creating content, interviewing experts, coming up with the marketing hooks, coming up with the products, and actually writing the copy. So a lot of the creation of funnels and things, I actually get my developer and my designer to do them. I used to do a lot of it myself, because I've found Rajiv and he's very, very good at it, and he's got a team, and they're not too, they're very well priced. They're very good value for money. It's something where I feel that I'm better off getting a developer to do that, who can knock it up quite quick. I just send them the copy and what I want it to do, and they do it for me. However, if you're starting off and you have got a little bit less money, using something like optimizepress or lead pages really is simple and easy to fill out. Let me just show you as well. Just do this headline here, just to create a quick hook, and let's just change this to 10 steps to build an online business producing income in just 90 days. without technical skills. I like that. And then we're just going to go literally insert, and it's putting that in for me. Okay, so I would go in and I would pull that back up. I'd take that space away because that looks a little bit silly. Let's just put a space in between the W and the full stops. And then I'd go back and click insert again, and just redoing that. And there you go. It's added a different headline in for me just like that. There's the bullets. So let's click save and continue, and let's go and preview that page. So it's saved. Let's close this, click OK. Let's go to the optimize, let's go to our pages. Here it is, sales page. Let's click preview. And there's the page, Tropical Entrepreneur. It's just got a page ID there, but if I published it, this page would actually be ready. And you can see there's the bullets I put in. Again, didn't put much thought into those, but if I had to put good thought into those, it'd be nice looking bullets. Put some interesting information here, and you'd have your picture of your report here, or your video, or whatever you're giving away. So that's how to create a page using optimizepress. It's very, very easy. It's very, very quick. And of course, you'd be putting a good day or 2 days, a full weekend, even, longer than that. Spend a weekend building out your pages, your opt-in page, your sales page, your product giveaway pages. And then, if you're working, go back to work for the week, forget about it. Next weekend, come back, edit it, critique it, improve it, and then start driving traffic to it. It really is easy. Once you got the theme installed, you're off and running, doing something that used to cost thousands of dollars with developers and designers. You can now do it yourself. Within a weekend, you can have a product funnel set up. All right, so that's optimizepress. And then the next video sets, we're going to start to look at outsourcing and where to get things, great banners and graphics and videos and editing and stuff done for as little as $5. And then we'll go and have a look at some more premium graphic design places to outsource, and then another place you can outsource any kind of work that you want. And we'll also have a look at a place to get virtual assistants. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video series.